hope of Leicester, Jamie Vardy, Jamie Vardy, the former champion footballer who holds the record for scoring in the most consecutive Premier League games. Aside from his sporting achievements, he is an arguably madman who undermines the view of football and football teams as objects and shows people that football is a narrative. Jamie Vardy's journey from non-league football to Premier League stardom is an extraordinary story of determination, talent and resilience. Born on the 11th of January 1987 in Sheffield, England, Vardy's early life and career were far from the glamour of professional football. His story is not just about football, it is a narrative that epitomises the spirit of never giving up, the importance of hard work, and the belief in one's abilities despite adversity. Growing up in the Hillsborough area of Sheffield, Vardy faced many difficulties. His early years were marked by a difficult family life, and he had to overcome various challenges. Vardy's passion for football was evident from an early age, but his path to professional football was not easy. At the age of 16, he was dropped from Sheffield Wednesday's youth system, a devastating blow for an ambitious footballer. This rejection could easily have ended his dreams, but Vardy's determination was unwavering. Following his release, Vardy joined Stocksbridge Park Steels, a club playing in the lower tiers of English football. Jamie, who could not yet imagine earning the kind of money he wanted from football, had to balance a part-time football career with a job in a carbon fibre factory, and became an example of the struggle of many semi-professional players who work tirelessly to keep their dreams alive. Although the early mornings and long hours were physically demanding, Vardy's commitment to his football career never wavered. His performances on the pitch began to stand out, and his goal-scoring ability was recognised throughout his time at Stocksbridge. Later in his career, nothing he did would be seen as more important than his goal instinct and ability to find goals out of nothing. Vardy's big break came in 2010 when he transferred to Halifax Town. His impact was immediate. He became one of the most productive strikers in the league, scoring 26 goals in his first season. His performances helped Halifax win the Northern Premier League title, and it was here that the first whispers of his talent, exceptional for the lower leagues, began to spread. Vardy's next move was to Fleetwood Town, where his goal-scoring success continued. He scored 31 goals in the 2011 to 2012 season, leading Fleetwood to the Premier Conference title and promotion to the Football League. In 2012, Vardy's journey took an important turn when he signed for Leicester City for a league record fee of £1 million. This move marked the beginning of his rise to the top of English football. Initially, Vardy struggled to adapt to the demands of the Championship, the second tier of English football. He faced criticism and self-doubt, and there were moments when he considered quitting the game altogether. But thanks to the support of his manager, Nigel Pearson, and his own tenacious determination, he overcame these difficult times. Vardy's perseverance paid off, and he played an important role in Leicester City's promotion to the Premier League in the 2013 to 2014 season. His determination, speed and goal-scoring ability became invaluable assets for the team. The following season, Vardy made his Premier League debut at the age of 27, an age when many players had already proven themselves. His journey was already an anomaly in the modern football world, dominated by early development and youth academies. The 2015 to 2016 season was a fairy tale not only for Jamie Vardy, but also for Leicester City and football fans around the world. Leicester City defied all odds to win the Premier League title under Claudio Ranieri, an experienced coach who had previously coached very big teams in the Italian league and was now nearing the end of his career. Vardy played an important role in this victory by scoring 24 goals and breaking the record of scoring in 11 consecutive Premier League matches. His performance earned him the Football Writers Association Player of the Year award and a place in the PFA Team of the Year. Vardy's story has become a symbol of hope and inspiration, showing that with hard work and belief, anything is possible. International recognition followed, and Vardy made his debut for the England national team in June 2015. He represented England at UEFA Euro 2016 and the 2018 FIFA World Cup, and contributed to the national team with his endless energy and goal-scoring ability. His international career, like his club career, has been a testament to his rise from obscurity to the highest levels of football. Jamie Vardy's life off the pitch has also been eventful. He married Rebecca Nicholson in 2016, and their relationship has been well documented by the media. Vardy's journey has not been without controversy, but he has always managed to focus on his football and let his performances speak for themselves. His autobiography, From Nowhere, My Story, published in 2016, offered an intimate look at his life, detailing his struggles and triumphs. Vardy's style of play is characterised by his explosive pace, sharp finishing and relentless work ethic. He is known for his ability to play on the shoulder of the last defender, making him a constant threat behind opposition defences. His ability to score crucial goals in important matches has made him a fan favourite and a defender's nightmare. In recent years, Vardy has continued to be a key player for Leicester City. He became the club's all-time leading Premier League goalscorer, surpassing the previous record held by Gary Lineker. Despite the inevitable slowdown that comes with age, Vardy's importance for Leicester has not diminished. Using his experience and intelligence, he adapted his game and continued to contribute at the highest level. Jamie Vardy's story is one of resilience, hard work, and relentless pursuit of a dream. His journey from non-league football to Premier League champion and international footballer is a light of hope for many aspiring athletes. It underlines the idea that talent can be found in the most unexpected places, and that with determination and perseverance, even the most unexpected dreams can be realised. However, Vardy's story and his own philosophy of life also shows that sometimes it is necessary to stop seeing football as just football and realise that there is more to life than that. When asked, "How do you look after yourself?" Vardy's answer is usually that he doesn't compromise on his social life, that he will never stop drinking Red Bull, and that he will never lift weights. As Vardy's career progresses, his legacy is already secured. He will be remembered not just as a great footballer, but as an inspiration to anyone who has faced rejection or doubted their abilities. His journey reminds us that setbacks are not an end, but rather an opportunity to rise stronger and achieve greatness. Yet Jamie also sees the romance in football and says he will never leave Leicester because they gave him a chance. Jamie Vardy's life and career is a testament to the power of perseverance, and his story will continue to inspire the next generation of footballers and dreamers. Are you inspired by his journey from being a factory worker to a professional footballer? Would be able to succeed in such circumstances? Let us know in the comments section down below. See you in the next video.